Ersoy Group of Companies, 20,000 square meter closed, 55,000 square meter owned, was established in 1986, which is a metal recycling, casting and machining workshop. Since 2014, Ersoy casting machine has started to produce rolling mill for iron and steel industry. 70% of its current production is overseas. Ersoy Casting Machinery is a company that mainly produced ring and rolling mill to be used in rolling mill facilities. Also, big machine components are produced. We are capable of 25 tons casting in single load with 3 induction furnaces we have at our facility. Stress-relieving head treatment and temporary head treatment are implemented on rings and rolling mills in order to relieve stress and occurs after casting process. Then, rings and rolling mills are transferred to metal cutting facility. Metal cutting preparation are complete with CAD and CAM programs after receiving technical drawing from customers. 20 pieces universal workbench, 5 pieces NC bowwork, 1 pieces CNC bowwork, 5 pieces CNC workbench, 2 pieces CNC grinding, 3 pieces heavy type vertical turning machine, 1 piece CNC vertical turning machine, 1 piece bridge type machining centrifuge process, all fragile and detailed metal cutting products with the machines available in our metal cutting facility. Quality control process of rings and rolling mills are implemented sensitively before and after production. Raw material control, chemical analysis control, temperature control, metallographic control, dimensional control, hardness and ultrasonic control are sensitively carried out within quality control process. Every product that completes the control process are numbered and marked. Products are carefully packaged with high viscosity protection, lubricant to avoid corrosion, and shipped in a safe way with caution in order to avoid damages that may happen during shipping. As Ersoy Casting Machinery, our primary aim is to provide products and quality that meet customers' demand with our experienced staff.